Transform your health in just 7 days with daily clove tea. Discover the surprising effects. When you think of something warm and comforting to drink, traditional beverages like tea and coffee immediately spring to mind. But have you ever considered spicing up your tea? Try drinking clove tea every day and see what happens to your body. Clove tea is a delicious and fragrant drink that offers numerous health advantages in addition to pleasing your taste buds. Since tea is a staple in our culture, let's explore the benefits of consuming cloves in any form, including clove tea. As a special bonus, we've included a delicious clove tea recipe for you to try out toward the end of the video. Cloves are highly valued for their aromatic and savory qualities, but they are also highly sought after for their medicinal and therapeutic qualities. Cloves are the fragrant flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, which is a member of the Myrtaceae family. They are native to Indonesia's Maluku Islands and are used as a flavoring fragrance or aroma in many commercial goods, such as toothpaste, detergent, and cosmetics. Eugenol, a substance found in clove bud oil at 80 to 90% concentrations, gives the oil its strong, acidic flavor. Cloves are frequently used to flavor fruit in Asian, African, Mediterranean, and Middle Eastern cuisines. Meats, marinades, and curries. Cloves, among other spices, can be added to hot beverages to improve their flavor and aroma. Sugar and lemon, for instance, go well with them. Did you know that clove tea works wonders for bacterial or viral seasonal illnesses? Here, in addition to strengthening immunity and aiding in weight loss, we'll discuss a few other benefits. First, it improves blood flow. Drinking clove tea has been shown to improve organ function by increasing blood flow and oxygen to the tissues that make up the organs. Cloves contain chemicals that promote circulation and increase blood flow. They can also regulate the body's temperature and metabolism, both of which have a direct impact on the circulatory system of the human body. 2. People have been using clove tea to relieve toothaches for centuries when they have dental issues. Cloves' anti-inflammatory qualities make them a useful treatment for decreasing gum inflammation. In order to reduce tooth pain, its antibacterial and antifungal qualities help keep your mouth healthy and free of infections. Rinse with lukewarm water to relieve gum inflammation and freshen your breath. 3 cups of warm clove tea relieves sinus infections. Having a cup of warm clove tea, especially first thing in the morning, can help you get rid of infections and get instant relief from sinus pain if you feel like there's a blockage in your chest or sinuses. Compared to most fruits and vegetables, cloves contain eugenol, which improves blood flow and aids in the loosening of mucus, making them an effective expectorant. Clove has stronger antibacterial and antioxidant qualities. Natural cloves work well to relieve mild coughs and sore throats without the need for prescription drugs. After breathing in the warm, fragrant air, breathing becomes easier. Breath in the steam from a cup of clove tea, which helps ease respiratory irritation. 4. Strengthens defenses and eases fevers due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities. Clove tea contains a high concentration of magnesium as well as high levels of vitamins E and K. As a result, clove tea is rich in vitamins and minerals. Clove tea offers antibacterial properties. Additionally, because it is an antipyretic, it decreases body temperature and strengthens the immune system. Clove tea helps strengthen your immune system, which is necessary to maintain your health and resilience. 5. Potential decompressant. In today's fast-paced world, stress can have detrimental effects on our bodies and minds. The calming properties of clove tea are invaluable. Clove tea's aroma and ingredients help to calm the nervous system, allowing you to unwind and discover your inner zen. With a cup of clove tea, relax. 6. Possibly reduce blood sugar levels. Cloves may be able to help people with prediabetes and diabetes. Clove may help lower blood sugar levels after meals and during fasting. Clove tea's polyphenolic compounds help regulate blood sugar. Researchers discovered that blood sugar levels significantly decreased in healthy individuals whose diets included a polyphenolic clove extract. 7 aides in the fight against cancer. Patients may get significant advantages from consuming clove tea when the investigation into clove's possible anti-cancer properties is still in its early stages. Early data appears encouraging. Studies conducted in laboratories have shown that cloves are effective in killing a variety of cancer cell types. Cloves were found to be effective against breast cancer cell lines in a different study and to effectively eradicate colon cancer cells and inhibit their ability to multiply. More research indicates that in a lab setting, cloves were able to eradicate 80% of esophageal cancer cells. Further investigation is necessary before human clove trials may start. 8 aids in terms of weight loss and helps with digestive problems. In addition to these advantages, it has been demonstrated that consuming a cup of clove tea before a meal aids in digestion by increasing the flow of blood and saliva. Clove tea stimulates gastric secretions, reduces stomach pain and acidity, and helps with indigestion and flatulence. Because of its antiemetic properties, this tea is also very effective at preventing nausea. Moreover, clove's anti-inflammatory qualities may help minimize inflammation-related weight gain. Clove use has been associated with reduced fat cell size and, as a result, weight loss. Moreover, increasing the amount of spices in one's diet has been associated with increased metabolic rate and more effective fat burning. 9. Cloves are a fantastic nutritional supplement and seasoning that have many health advantages. Powdered cloves are a rich source of fiber and contain trace amounts of vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin E. Additionally, eugenol and vitamin C are antioxidants that have been shown to delay the onset of chronic disease, and manganese is necessary for healthy bone development. 10. Sweets. Based on research on urinary tract infections, clove ethanolic extract may be able to stop the growth of both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Clove oil has demonstrated efficacy against a diverse range of bacteria, encompassing gram-positive and gram-negative species such as Streptococcus and Staphylococcus. Clove tea must be regularly consumed in order to reap the many benefits of clove oil. 11. Efficient in preventing intestinal parasites. Historically, clove tea has been used to eradicate intestinal parasites, which are common and can cause a number of unpleasant health issues. Parasites are organisms that obtain their sustenance at the expense of or solely because of their hosts. Cloves can help relieve stomach pain caused by parasite removal because of its anti-inflammatory qualities. 12. Lessens arthritis pain. Cloves are potent analgesics. If you have excruciating arthritis pain, try applying a cold compress prepared from clove tea. Applying cold compresses and consuming clove tea can alleviate joint pain and muscle soreness. Ligament injuries and edema. Using the compress for 20 minutes twice or 3 times a day can help arthritis sufferers feel less uncomfortable. Music. 13. Removes pimples. Because of its analgesic and antiseptic qualities, studies have demonstrated that clove extract, which includes ethanol and eugenol, suppress the inflammatory response and bacterial activity linked to the bacteria P. acnes. The oil is perfect for treating skin diseases like acne and infections. The oil helps remove skin impurities and eases the pain associated with cystic acne, including whiteheads and blackheads and acne vulgaris. As a result, it also helps remove blackheads and whiteheads. 14. Shields against food poisoning. Common food poisoning. Bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, and Listeria have been shown in a study to be inhibited in growth by clove tea and the essential oils from the bud. According to a review, the antimicrobial, antifungal, and aromatic qualities of clove oil and the ingredient eugenol make them superior to potassium sorbate, sodium benzoate, and other chemical food preservatives in terms of how well they kill bacteria, how safe they are, and how they smell. 15. Organic antiseptic. Few people are aware that using cold clove tea as a hand sanitizer works quite well. To effectively remove dirt and bacteria from your skin, simply pour some clove tea into your palms and rub your fingers together. What's even more intriguing is that, in contrast to commercial hand sanitizer, clove tea is natural and therefore has no negative effects. 16 high antibacterial compound concentration helps with skin issues. Numerous skin conditions can be effectively treated with clove tea. Volatile oils in clove teas assist the body in clearing the body of toxins, is beneficial for treating cuts and scrapes. Additionally, you can apply this tea topically as an antifungal to prevent ringworm in athlete's feet and other skin fungi. 17. Might enhance libido. Clove oil has long been used by men to improve their general sex life. Regular use of clove tea could boost your libido and avoid premature ejaculation by increasing your testosterone levels and improving blood circulation. Cloves are well known to increase a man's libido and enhance his sexual health. The medical systems of Ayurveda and Unani also recognized the potential advantages of cloves. It has been used for a long time to treat erectile dysfunction in men. In diabetic rats, a clove essential oil component has been shown to improve erectile dysfunction. Possible safety measure: when applied in moderation, cloves are a safe spice to use. Now that you know why you should drink clove tea, let's go over how to make it. I'll give you a list of the ingredients you'll need. The main concern should be clove's ability to inhibit blood clotting. If you are taking blood thinners, you should not consume large doses of clove tea without first consulting your doctor. 1 tablespoon of whole cloves. Instructions: for 2 cups of water with your preferred sweetener in a pot, place 2 cups of water to boil, and then add 1 tablespoon of whole cloves while the water is still boiling. After letting the tea steep for an extra 2 minutes, remove the pot from the heat and simmer it for about 6 to 8 minutes on low heat to allow the flavors to melt. After straining the tea to remove the cloves, transfer it to the mug of your choosing. To enhance the flavor, one can use natural sweeteners like honey or lemon slices. Today, we learned about the many benefits of consuming clove tea. However, did you know that there are other helpful items in your pantry that can be just as beneficial? If so, stir it up and unwind to the calming aroma of clove tea. Observe: apple cider vinegar has 12 potent health benefits that you should be aware of or observe. Use baking soda on your body every day for a month to observe the results. You can observe either or both of them. Will you be attempting clove tea going forward? Please let us know in the space provided below for comments.